Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy review on how to use ISL Online, which is a remote desktop platform. So to get started with a quick analysis about how to use the ISL Online remote platform. So ISL Online in 2025 offer a robust and user-friendly platform for remote desktop access, support and collaboration. To get started, create an account on their website and download the IXL Lite application suitable for your operating system. IXL Lite service has the primary tools for remote support, allowing you to initiate section, share access code, and manage connections seamlessly. For unattended access, install the IXL Online Always On agent on the target machine, enabling you to connect anytime using a secure password. The interface is intuitive, featuring options like start section and joining section, making navigation straightforward for both technicians and client. Beyond remote support, IXL Online facilitates online meeting and webinars through its IXL Online meetings and IXL Online webinar tools. Scheduling a meeting involves setting up a date and time, which is a unique link is generated and patient and participant during section. You can utilize features like sharing screen chat, video conferencing to enhance the collaboration. Webinar offer additionally functionalities such as the illustration setup, presenter tools, and a section recording, making it them ideal for a large-scale presentation. Excel Online's comprehensive suite ensures secure client and versatile remote interaction for various professional needs. And that's it.